He says it's fixing to. There it goes.
Don't hit the power line. Don't hit the power line. Whoa.
How big's that tree, Nevin?
No, I know. Get a tape measure.
36 inch?
About a 30. Well, how big's your
bar?
bar?
Let me go get a tape.
Yeah, my bar just didn't quite reach through it.
It's about 38.
Couple inches shy of it, maybe.
In fact,
hey, bring a little broom while you're over there.
What kind of tree is this?
Brush or something, wouldn't you?
a pine.
Let me see the front of it. The front of it. Turn it around.
I'm sorry.
D30.
That's what I wanted the broom for, is to sweep it off.
That's one of the original digital
I didn't
cannons.
get you to get it this
I have a 20D.
This one is my son's, but he lets me use it.
Bradley.
I know. Everybody believes that. Everybody believes that's the
I need a camera. I need my camera, Nevin. Where is it?
We'll get pictures from Miss
Yeah.
Collier.
I'm impressed, Brad. I am impressed.
Absolutely.
I was telling them this is a 30-year-old saw like my dad had. It's not the same one, but it's the same saw. And that's the first time it's been used since I rebuilt it.
I was talking to Neil about
Yeah, he's cutting up the big tree.